Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Sheba Renee, and thank y'all for tuning in. Let's jump right into it. Today, I'm going to be defining my curls with hibiscus tea flaxseed gel. Hibiscus is the tea that I'm giving y'all today, and I like to mix these two together because it's very nourishing and conditioning for my hair. My leave-in will be distilled water and aloe vera juice, and that just gives me the moisture up underneath the gel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tap that subscribe button and the notification bell for my future uploads. And I will see you guys next time. Star.